SHEWIN Oversized Sweatshirts for women. Description: stay cozy and stylish with our SHEWIN Oversized Sweatshirts, designed for a loose fit that combines comfort and fashion. This casual long sleeve button hooded sweatshirt features a practical chest pocket and a drawstring hood for added functionality. Material: crafted from a premium blend of polyester and cotton, this button hooded jacket is not only soft and warm but also durable, ensuring it lasts through countless wearings. Features: oversized fit for ultimate comfort, lightweight knit long sleeves, button, detail and drawstring hood, convenient chest pocket, versatile styling options. Style: perfect for fall fashion in 2024. These hoodies pair effortlessly with jeans, pants, sweatpants, leggings, and boots. Dress it up with sneakers or layer it over t-shirts and tank tops for a chic look. Occasions: ideal for a variety of activities, our oversized hoodies are perfect for the gym, hiking, walking, running, and outdoor adventures. They're also great for casual days at the office, school, or while shopping.